Welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. The tori wey I bring come for now be say the Bauchi state governor wey dey go by the name Bala Mohammed, he don file a suit for inside Zamfara High Court seeking an ex parte order to convene the party's National Executive Council meeting. No be small matter, my good people. Now you see the Bauchi state governor wey be Bala Mohammed, he dey do all this level despite an existing injunction from the Federal High Court for inside Abuja wey dey prohibit the removal of the party's acting national chairman wey be Umar Damagum. The crisis wey dey for inside the People's Democratic Party no be small one o. Small water e dey pass garri. Right now, men wey want make Oga Umar Damagum comot e plenty. And if the PDP come last convene this their National Executive Council meeting, they go must surely remove Umar Damagum. Na why forces dey wey no want make the meeting for happen. So Governor Bala Mohammed wey be say he will be governor of Bauchi State, he still be the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum. He dey try to maneuver the Federal High Court restrictions so that the meeting go hold sake of all the crisis wey don happen for inside the PDP as e don reach to come create internal divisions. And these legal maneuver signals now from the governor, e dey display the strategic effort of Bala Mohammed influence over the party's leadership at the time wey be say the PDP dey face significant challenges. And this kwataso wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party, it is becoming increasingly clear. The thing now dey show say there is crisis, there is problem in the party, and e no make sense because different factions now, different members don dey voice their discontent. They don dey yarn how it dey pain them reach. They don dey yarn how this current leadership dynamics dey give them wahala. Now, men wey sabi politics well wey be political analysts, they don drop suggestion. Say this lawsuit wey the Bauchi state governor wey be Bala Mohammed just arrange so, the thing get potential to increase the violence, to increase the conflict wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party o. And as this battle now dey kwata with who go lead and who no go lead, the outcome of this legal battle now, e fit get some kind implications wey go last affect the electoral prospect. And this action of Bala Mohammed, if you check am proper, you go see am say this man action so e dey come at a crucial moment for the PDP, and the party dey seek to solidify their leadership. They need to get better leadership, they need to get better leader so that they go fit prepare for future elections. But you cannot prepare for future elections until you get a solidified leader. And you cannot get a solidified leader when there is internal crisis. So these are the reasons why last they need to convene the PDP National Executive Council meeting. Now all members of the People's Democratic Party, their eye just dey for the legal proceedings. Wetin the court go talk about the matter, whether they go do the meeting or whether the crisis go continue for inside the People's Democratic Party. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the court don drop their ruling on top the matter. But before I summarize you the results, I wan first yarn you about this man wey be Umar Damagum and how people don try to pursue am reach. The koko be say the former Benue State governor, in dey go by the name Senator Gbos, he now don call for the immediate removal of Umar Damagum, wey be the acting national chairman of the People's Democratic Party. And Oga Gabriel dey talk about the leadership failures and poor performance of Umar Damagum, na why they gats remove am. And Oga Gabriel dey yarn about im concern during one expanded caucus meeting of the People's Democratic Party for inside Makurdi. For that night, he dey yarn about the leadership style of Umar Damagum. He say the man now dey lead the party as three. Say the man must go, whether they like it or not. And he consider yarn say Oga Umar Damagum don turn the party into a business venture, and he is very much unfit to continue in his current position. And he constantly accuse say there is a conspiracy within the People's Democratic Party, their national leadership, where they don't undermine the integrity already. And they believe very well say these conspiracies now with the linger is very much aimed at destroying the People's Democratic Party. And he constantly criticized the recent local government and state congress for inside Benue State. They refer to them as kangaroo congresses. And according to Oga Gabriel Susman, he said the delegates wey dem choose were not legitimate since there were no proper ward or local government congresses to validate the process. So therefore, the process was a sham and it will not stand. After all those levels, he come promise to explore alternative ways to resolve the crisis, and he go make sure say there is a fair outcome. So back to the koko of the hour, my good people. E see am say the men wey want make Oga Umar Damagum comot as the acting national chairman e plenty. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the internal crisis wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party e don take a fresh turn as a federal high court for inside Zamfara state e don refuse to grant an ex parte order to the fraction wey dey backed by Governor Bala Mohammed wey be the governor of Benue State, and he still be the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum. So like this now, my good people, this ruling of the court so wey dey delivered on Tuesday, e dey prevent the faction from convening the party's National Executive Council meeting wey dem don dey hope say e go occur. And sake of say dem want make the thing occur sharply, dem come carry the matter go court. Men wey carry the matter go court na PDP governors wey dey led by Bala Mohammed. Dem come attempt to convene this meeting so dem go fit attempt to remove the acting national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, wey dey go by the name Ambassador Umar Damagum, and na im dey lead opposition from stakeholders wey dey loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Yawa. And I go like still remind my good people about this matter say a federal high court wey dey for inside Abuja bin don already issue an order against the removal of Damagum. So based on the things wey dey happen for inside the party and things wey dey happen for inside court, it is very much clear say na the faction of Umar Damagum, that is the faction of Oga Yawa, na dey lead. And the surprising part of all this level be say if you check am properly, you go see am say na one particular person na dey pull the strings, and that's na the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Yawa. He get quarter with the Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, and he come still get quarter with some kind men for inside the People's Democratic Party. And he said we don come outside call yarn for tori people their channel say nobody for inside the PDP fit sanction am, and nobody for inside the PDP fit caution or punish am at all. So how you see this matter, my good people? How you see the things wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party? Now the matter e don surprise many political analysts, e don shock them well. Say the Minister of FCT wey be Yawa go fit come outside come talk all this kind level, and the PDP never do anything about the matter. But the truth of the matter be say no be like say the PDP never do anything about the matter, just that they never succeed do anything about the matter. Anyhow this information be you for body, my good people, feel free make a drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things wey dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as you dey bring the news dey come, you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.